Ever wonder why sunflowers are called heliotropic? It's because these sunny beauties literally track the sun across the sky. Pretty cool, right? With those bright golden petals radiating outward, they basically are mini suns in your garden. If you're lucky enough to live somewhere sunny, you've hit the jackpot for growing these cheerful giants. But here's the thing, sunflowers aren't just a pretty face. They're actually garden superheroes with tons of hidden benefits you probably never knew about. So I'm sharing 10 creative sunflower garden ideas that'll transform your outdoor space and impress anyone who visits. And hey, if you're digging these gardening tips, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. Number 10. Sunflower Shelter Project Idea. Imagine having a natural fort made entirely of sunflowers. Sounds magical, doesn't it? Since these beauties can shoot up anywhere from 6 to 10 feet tall, you can actually design a live-in shelter right in your backyard. Here's your game plan. Find a sunny spot with flat ground and good soil. Sketch out whatever shape makes you happy. Square, circle, triangle, you name it. Dig a trench about a foot long, plant your seeds 6 inches apart and 1 inch deep, water consistently, and you'll see sprouts popping up within a week. Once those first leaves appear, spread mulch around the base to keep annoying weeds at bay. Number 9. Pair it with cucumber. Here's something genius. Those tall sunflower stalks double as natural shade providers for heat-sensitive plants like cucumbers, lettuce, and melons. This companion planting hack is a total game changer because you're basically getting 2 harvests from one garden space. Your cucumbers will thank you for the cooling shade that protects them from getting fried, and those sturdy stalks work like built-in trellises. Even better, when pesky aphids show up, they'll often go for the sunflowers first, leaving your veggies alone. It's like having a bodyguard for your cucumber patch. 8. Build this sunflower pyramid project. Remember how I said you can shape sunflowers into pretty much any form you want? Well, this pyramid idea takes it to the next level. Picture a towering sunflower pyramid standing proudly in your garden corner, instantly becoming the showstopper that has your neighbors doing double takes. It's one of those projects that looks way more complicated than it actually is, and the wow factor is totally worth the effort. 7. Sunflower privacy screen project idea. Let's be real. You love your neighbors, but you don't need them watching your every move while you're trying to relax in your backyard, right? Creating a privacy screen isn't just about keeping things low-key, it's about carving out your own peaceful sanctuary. Sure, you could go the traditional route with wooden fences or stone walls, but why not let nature do the work? Enter the Helianthus mammoth sunflower, which shoots up to a whopping 12 feet tall. Plant a row of these golden giants, and boom, you've got yourself a living fence that's way more interesting than plain old wood. Plus, it actually looks gorgeous instead of screaming, "keep out." 6. Growing sunflowers in a container. Think you need a sprawling garden to grow sunflowers? Think again. If you're working with limited space but still want to enjoy these beauties, container growing is your answer. Varieties like Big Smile, Italian White, and Music Box are perfect for pots. Just remember, bigger is better when it comes to container size, since sunflower roots need room to stretch out. Grab a large container, fill it with light potting soil, plant your seeds about 1 inch deep and 6 inches apart, then place it somewhere that gets full sun. Water daily, especially when it's scorching outside, and for taller varieties, add a stake to keep them standing proud. 5. Cheer up your mailbox. Your mailbox has been standing there for years, getting beaten down by rain, snow, and blazing sun, until it's looking pretty sad. Sure, you could slap on fresh paint, but why stop there? Plant some sunflowers and butterfly bushes around the base, and suddenly your boring mailbox transforms into a cheerful garden feature. Those bright yellow sunflowers popping against blue flowers create this amazing contrast that makes your whole yard look more inviting. It's such a simple upgrade that makes a huge visual impact. 4. Grow perennial sunflowers. Here's the thing about perennial sunflowers. They might not be as showy as their annual cousins, but don't let that fool you. These beauties come back year after year with their own understated charm. You'll find them thriving in well-drained soil with regular moisture. Want to boost your garden's curb appeal? Try varieties like Lemon Queen, Lowdown, Maximilian, Swamp Sunflower, or Willow Leaf. Now here's where it gets fun. Pair these perennials with dahlias, daylilies, or salvia and watch your garden transform into something magazine-worthy. Those deep red dahliaceaces create stunning contrast, while daylilies and salvia add extra layers of color that'll make your yard the talk of the neighborhood. 3. Grow annual sunflowers. Annual sunflowers are basically the ultimate low-maintenance summer plant. They laugh in the face of heat and drought like absolute champs. All they're asking from you is 6 to 8 hours of full sun daily and to wait until that last spring frost passes before planting. Here's what's cool. Not all sunflowers are towering giants. You've got options with single stems, branching varieties, and even dwarf types. Working with a tiny balcony, varieties like Sunny Smile and Teddy Bear max out at under 3 feet tall. Perfect for planters. You get all that classic sunflower charm without needing a ladder to admire them. 2. Sunflower projects for your kids. Kids go absolutely wild for sunflowers. I mean, what's not to love about those big, happy faces? The only hiccup is that most varieties tower way above little heads. But here's your solution. Plant elf sunflowers, the shortest variety out there that keeps blooming for ages and attracts butterflies like crazy. Your kids will love watching those winged visitors flutter around. Another winner is the Choco sunflower, standing at just 10 to 12 inches tall. Basically, the perfect height for small hands to touch and explore. These pint-sized varieties turn sunflower growing into an interactive experience your kids can actually participate in. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, number 1, complete your garden with this low-maintenance sunflowers. You know what everyone loves most about sunflowers? They're ridiculously easy to care for. Give them decent soil, plenty of sunshine, and regular watering, and they'll pretty much take care of themselves. The key is planting them in loose, crumbly soil so their roots can spread out. If you want the absolute easiest route, go with Russian Mammoth or Giant Sungold varieties. Russian Mammoth is practically hands-off once it germinates. Giant Sungold has gorgeous deep golden heads that are richer in color than the similar-looking Teddy Bear variety. If you want maximum impact with minimum effort, either of these will deliver impressive blooms without demanding much from you. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.